back to your teams. 7 minutes, your time starts now.
कितने बजे उठी?
सोई किधर मैं मी एंड फेली वर टॉकिंग एंड नींद ही नहीं आ रही है. आई डोंट नो, देखना पड़ेगा. Guys, we are going to meet the most energetic person.
मैं इधर नहीं रुक रही. राजू प्लीज नो पापराजी.
I've taken your role today. This is going to be the dining area. I just realized that I forgot to mention the place where we are having this camp. This is Sterling Nature Trails Durshet at Khopoli, and this is just 10 minutes away from Adlabs Imagica. So if you are the one who loves nature and who loves adventure activities, make sure you visit Sterling Nature Trails and have an amazing weekend over here. What are you expecting? क्या होगा आज डे में?
You know, expect the unexpected. That's what I could say about this entire day. And knowing the Leos, their enthusiasm and energy, and knowing our enthusiasm and the kind of energy that the trainer brings in, there's going to be a great collaboration and an event to look forward to. That's all I would want to say to everyone, and that's how Leos are going to be really engaged and have lots of fun along with learning.
Yeah, so what are your expectations, or what are you, how are you excited for today's event?
I am thrilled and excited. You know why? Primarily because the way we have designed the whole day. Every Leo member is going to go through some amazing experience. The experience which will help them to push boundaries, which will help them to come out of the comfort zone, and the real growth happens outside of comfort zone. So I'm all excited to witness a transformation happening with Leos. Thank you very much.
And one more question, what is LLI and how it is going to help the Leos?
So LLI is a Leo Leadership Institute. It's an institute exclusively designed for Leos, keeping the youth in mind. How can we all help together to make them better leaders? The whole methodology is experiential way of learning. So throughout the day we have adventure, we have experiences, we have activities to enhance their leadership skills from within. And we are also going to have great amount of fun while learning something amazing. Thank you very much.
is gonna be your day look like?
Our day.
Yeah.
So it's about the day of the participants and not us. They're gonna enjoy. We're just gonna enjoy looking at them enjoy.
I did not even get chance to talk because I was busy vlogging the whole thing. You guys can look at my face, how dull I am looking right now. Because yeah, we like had the best time. Right now we are done with all the activities. We will be taking a short break. Only bhaji is food. Literally even only bhaji is food. Omkar, how you feeling?
काफी नहीं अभी थक गया मैं एक्साइटेड नहीं हूँ
बस खाना है.
भूख लगा मेरे को बहुत भूख लगा
Can you see all the dead faces, people? ये लड़के ने बहुत मेहनत की.
लोग आ रहे हैं कैमरा में.
लोगों के डेड फेसेस भी आ रहे हैं कैमरा में. How many people are enjoying food after so much of work? Himani, are you? Yes. And Uncle, aap?
Yes.
He's very high. Akshay, you?
सुपर 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 यस.
बट प्लेट नहीं खत्म किया देख.
Abhishek, are you enjoying khana after so many? But we have partially done with our adventure activities. We have taken a good shower. और हम लोग फ्रेश होके हम लोग आए हैं एक ग्राउंड एरिया में जहाँ पर हम लोग जंगल कुकिंग करने वाले हैं. बेसिकली इट इज़ नथिंग बट चूल्हे पे खाना बनाना. सो वी आर प्रोवाइडेड विद ऑल द बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स बाय द मेन्यू एंड हम लोग यहाँ पे खिचड़ी बनाने वाले हैं. सो this is going to be a real fun because we have only limited ingredients out of which हम लोग खिचड़ी बनाने जाएंगे. And it is truly a task because I think each and every activity we did in the entire day, every activity had some or the other पॉजिटिव आउटकम्स. हर एक एक्टिविटी में एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग था, एक लर्निंग था, एक नई चीज़ सीखने को मिली. एंड दिस is very small thing but I think it really creates a very big impact and then you can say something very close to yourself and a memorable thing. So now after this jungle cooking session we will be having our dinner and then we will be having a drum circle. So yeah, let's not waste our time and I'm going to show and take you around through the drum circle. And with that we are going to end our day 1 of our vlog of Leo Leadership Institute at Sterling Nature Tales. 1:30 a.m. and we are not sleepy, and Felicia is also not sleepy. Felicia, what do you wanna do at 1:30 a.m.?
Party. I want to do something happening.
She wants to do something happening. After a long day, we are ending this vlog right here. I'm leaving from the resort. I couldn't talk much, but let's hope this turns out to be really very soon.